Hi admins, do you struggle with managing manual visitor logs and ensuring security at your workplace? Different industries have varying security needs, leading to diverse scheduling requirements for your security team. Whether you have a large organization with complex needs or a smaller one with a single guard, traditional pen-paper-based visitor registers pose significant challenges at your workplace. On time-consuming entries, security teams waste valuable time manually logging visitors. Manual logs lack transparency and raise security concerns due to incomplete or inaccurate visitor data. And illegible handwriting, deciphering handwritten entries creates record-keeping difficulties. These challenges cause poor visitor experience of long wait times, and outdated procedures frustrate your visitors. Introducing UrSpayce, the security check-in application that eliminates these challenges with its user-friendly features. Streamlines visitor registration and better check-in experience, enhancing both security and efficiency. Security personnel scan visitor passes through the security check-in application to allow authorized entry, and visitor digital logs are automatically maintained in the security check-in application. For quick visitor registration, your walk-in visitors simply scan a QR code or use the kiosk to enter their details. For mobile verification, the visitors receive a one-time passcode via SMS or email for added security. Ensure complete visitor information and capture photos, signatures, and legal documents for comprehensive records, plus voice notifications. The visitors receive real-time updates on their approval status. UrSpayce modernizes your visitor management by creating a welcoming experience for your visitors while freeing security personnel to focus on core duties.